In this video, I will show you how to install OpenSSL on Windows. To install OpenSSL on Windows, follow this step. So download OpenSSL, visit the OpenSSL download page, and download the appropriate version for your system. So there is a 32-bit or 64-bit version. Run the installer. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation and accept the license agreement and follow the prompts. Choose the installation directory and components you want to install. Set the environment variables. Open Start menu and search for environment variables and select Edit the System Environment Variables. Under the System Properties window, click Environment Variables, add the OpenSSL bin directory to the path variable. And last but not the least, verify the installation. Open Command Prompt and type OpenSSL version to check if OpenSSL is installed correctly. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.